All right, this practicum is called Hit the Target practicum. Here's how this is going to work. You're going to have a launcher all to yourself on your table, and you will set that launcher at a given angle, which will be assigned to you by your teacher. That launcher will launch a ball at a different velocity than the shoot through the hoops practicum. So this is a different velocity. And the ball will travel through projectile motion and land somewhere on the floor. Now what you have to do is figure out where to place a target, here's the target, on the floor so that you can get 100%. If you get it in this spot, you get 100, 90, and 80. So in order to figure this out, you are going to need to know some values. And one of the things that you need to know is the initial velocity of this launcher. So I've got this launcher set up over here. We decided to take the velocity in a different way this time. This time the launcher is launching vertically, and you can see that by the plumb bob. Oh my goodness, this is awful. Come on, there you go. Is at 90 degrees. And it's going to launch it upward. I have this ruler set up so that we can see what that velocity is. All right, so I'm gonna load the launcher. Oh goodness. Sorry, it is already loaded. All right, so the launcher is loaded, and we're gonna hold the camera right about where the ball is going to go, and then we're going to launch the ball. Redo that again. And a third time. All right, so that should allow you to figure out the velocity of the ball. The next thing that you need to know is the height of the launcher when it is attached to the table. Now you're not going to be launching off of the counter, you're going to be launching it off of the table. So you're going to set up your launcher like this on the edge of your table. You have to clamp it down because it won't just sit there by itself. It also helps if you turn the thing the correct way to tighten the clamp. Otherwise, it just gets looser. All right, and then you're gonna set your launcher at a certain angle. So you change these here to change your angle. All right. Let's grab our meter stick, and we're just gonna put this on the ground here. And what you have to do is look at the height of this place where it says launch position of ball when it's at a given angle. So I'm gonna give you several of those angle measurements. Here is 10 degrees. Here is 15 degrees. 20 degrees. 25 degrees. You can still see that. And one more, 30 degrees. Okay, so from that you should be able to do everything that you need. Just a reminder, Your goal is to figure out what your delta x is. That is your ultimate goal. From this video, you should have been able to find your delta y, and you should have been able to find enough to calculate this velocity, initial velocity of the ball. Also, remember that your theta will be given to you by your teacher. So your ultimate goal is to find delta x. Good luck.